Every year, billions of dollars worth of gold passes through secure refineries like this one. Today, we reveal the full journey. It starts with raw gold, a mix of ore, rock, dust, and metal impurities, before it becomes the shining
process. The ore is heated to over 1100 degrees Celsius. At this temperature, all non-metal materials burn away.
Next, the semi-pure gold enters a chemical purification system. Using acids and electro-refining, the gold reaches 9.
As the bars cool, they harden into solid 24K bullion. Workers then polish, weigh, and trim each bar.
Every bar receives a unique serial number, refinery logo, purity stamp, and weight marking. These details guarantee authenticity worldwide.
Finally, the bars move into high-security vaults, protected by multiple layers of surveillance and biometric access.
From dusty rocks to flawless 24K gold, this is how the world's most prized metal is